Hey, my friend, are you ready to build an online business? Great. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to launch from scratch using digital marketing, no experience required. Okay. If you've ever wanted to make money online, this video is for you. Let's dive in. So it's me, Rhonda Kay, and I want to welcome you to this channel. Today, we're going to dive into how you can launch your own online business from the ground up with digital marketing. Okay. So if you're tired of your 9 to 5 grind, or you just want to make extra money from home, this is a step-by-step guide that will be perfect for you to get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down into actionable steps so you can start building your business today. Sound good? Okay. So the first thing that you want to do is you need to choose a niche. All right. A niche is like a specific area or a topic for your business, something that both interests you and has a demand for the market. So it just can't interest you. There has to be a demand in the market, people buying it. Okay. So if it's fitness, beauty, finance, or pet care, your niche is what defines your audience. Okay. Your niche is your audience. Now, here's the trick. You have to look for a niche where people are already spending money. All right. So you can do a quick like Google search, or you can browse platforms like Amazon, YouTube, Etsy, so that you can see what's being sold, because you don't want to be in love with something but it's not selling, and then you don't have to be in love with it, but you don't want to be selling something that's not selling, if that makes any sense. So you want to choose something that you're passionate about or that you're willing to do, but also just make sure that there's an audience there for you who want to buy. Okay. So next, you need to build online. You need to have an online presence. So you want to start with like a website or a landing page. This is what would be called your home base online. You can use platforms like Wix, Aweber, GetResponse, Squarespace, Shopify, so many others. But you want to use those to make it easy to create like a professional looking website with no coding skills at all. Okay. Your website should be clear, or your landing page. Your website should be clear, okay, on what you offer, a way to contact you, and a call to action for people to buy your products or services, or for people to sign up for your newsletter. And if you're not selling like physical products, you can create a blog if you desire, or a YouTube channel to build an audience to provide value first. Okay, almost done. And let me know how you are receiving this by commenting, or just put a 1 in the chat to let me know that you're there and we're still engaged. We're almost done. So the next step is you want to learn some basic digital marketing skills. Okay. Digital marketing is how you get traffic, which are people, to your website. All right. And that traffic has the potential to convert into sales or leads. So a lead is someone they haven't purchased yet, but they have at least raised their hand to say, hey, I'm interested, and you can be following up with them. So what you need to focus on is like social media marketing, create accounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, really depending on your niche. And you want to post regularly, you want to engage your audience, and you want to share some relevant content. Email marketing. You're always going to hear this. Always be building a list. The money is in the list. But from day one, you want to start building an email list. All right. Some people offer like a freebie, like an ebook or a checklist in exchange for a person's email. All right. And then once they get the email, they begin to nurture those relationships via email. So that's something that you can consider. So these are just a few foundations of digital marketing. There's so much more. I don't want to overwhelm you, but this is how you can get your name out there. Stay consistent and be helpful to your audience. Your favorite part, right? Money. Monetize your business. So once you have people coming in or traffic coming in, it's time to monetize your business. So there are several ways for you to do that. To make money online, it depends really on your model, but you can sell products, whether they're physical or digital, like downloads or courses, something easy for customers to buy from your site. You can do affiliate marketing, which means you're partnering with companies and you're promoting their products and services, and they pay you a commission. Yep. You can also offer your own services. Like if you're a freelancer, you have a certain gift, talent, skills, or abilities. You have skills like writing, coaching, graphic design, virtual assistants, things like that, teaching, tutoring. You can offer those services and start earning. You can even learn some information, like if you had access to a digital library that I'll talk to you about in a minute, but you have access to that. And as you are learning some things, you can also turn those things into your own digital marketing freelance business. You see what I mean? So there's so many ways, so many ways. The key point is to provide value and solve problems so people are willing to pay. That's the main thing, and that's how you monetize. So there you have it. It's a simple step-by-step guide to launching your online business from scratch with digital marketing. Okay. So if you're ready to deep dive and learn exactly how to get started, I've created a free tour that walks you through everything you need to launch and scale your business. You'll get access to tools, resources, and exclusive training to start building your online income. All right. So click the link in the video description below, take your free tour today, and see, let me know what resonates with you. Let me know what you liked about it. Okay. And then start your online business. All right. So that's it for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this video helpful. All right. I'll see you in the next one. And also check out these other videos for more tips on making money online, areas where I get the opportunity to empower you with mindset and personal growth, and how you can make money online, whether you're working full time or not, or you're wanting to quit your job. I'm there for you. All right. So thanks so much for watching. Many blessings.